How to use Avalanche MetaMask. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Avalanche MetaMask. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your MetaMask wallet if you have any. If you do not have a MetaMask wallet and you are a complete beginner, then it's really easy to get one. You can go to Google and search for metamask.io, and it will open up this website for you, which is the MetaMask website, and you can click on download for Chrome. If you're using Chrome, it will be added as a Google Chrome extension. So you will click on add to Chrome. You can see I already have it right here. That is why it says remove, but you will click on add to Chrome and your MetaMask will be added to your Chrome as an extension. Make sure to also pin the extension if you're going to be using it very frequently. So once you have a MetaMask wallet, once you add the extension, you can just set up a password and that's it. You have your own crypto wallet. So after the initial setup or after the login to your MetaMask, this is where you will get. And you can see I have Avalanche Network added, but you will be seeing something like this. You can see Ethereum, because Ethereum is the default blockchain on MetaMask, and this is what you are seeing right now. You want to add an Avalanche Networks, so it's really easy to do. First of all, what I am going to do is I'm going to delete my network first so that I can actually show you how to add it. To add Avalanche, you're going to go to the networks right here, and you can see it will show me my other networks. And I'm gonna click on add network. Okay, so it will take me right here. This is where we add a new network to MetaMask. First of all, network name. So the network name is going to be Avalanche Network. Moving on, we have Rpc URL. This is where we will have to get a URL. So for that, you just have to go to support.avax.network, or on your Google, you can search for Avalanche Network MetaMask. Simply go to support.avax.network. Here, you will be able to get the RPC URL. You can see this is the URL right here. And what I'm going to do now is I just have to copy this URL. Simple copy and paste. So we will copy this URL from here, and I'm going to paste it right here. So we have RPC URL for Avalanche Network. When it comes to the chain ID for Avalanche is 43114. The chain ID for Avalanche is 43114. Moving on, we have currency symbol. So currency symbol, we know it's going to be AVAX. So these are the details you have to add. Feel free to pause the video and just enter your details. Once you've added these details, that's it. Then we have a block explorer URL. If you want to add it, you can. Again, this URL is also available on your Avalanche, network right here, avax.network, and you can get it from here. But if you do not want to do this, it's okay because it's optional, so I'm not gonna add that. And click on save. And there you go, you will have Avalanche on MetaMask. And now I can go ahead and add my funds, I can swap tokens, and I can buy and sell crypto on Avalanche or whatever I want to do with it. I want to connect my wallet, my MetaMask to a game, to a platform. I can do that very easily because now I have Avalanche on MetaMask. And this is how you can also get Avalanche on MetaMask. So if I go to my networks here, you will be able to see we have Avalanche added. Keep in mind, if I want to switch between the networks, I can do that. If I want to go back to Ethereum, I will just switch it and it will be back to Ethereum. If I want to switch to Avalanche again, then I will be here. And once you connect a wallet to any of the website, and let's say that you want to use Ethereum on that website, so make sure that you have Ethereum as your primary network. Similarly, once you are using Avalanche on any of the websites, so make sure first you change your primary network to Avalanche. So once you do that, then you're good to go, and now you can just use Avalanche Network, and you can how to use Avalanche MetaMask. So now what I can do is using MetaMask is really easy. What I can do is I can buy, send, and swap between the tokens. If I want to swap my currency, my assets to Avalanche or from Avalanche to any other token, I can do that. So we have swap from. Let's say that I actually want to swap from USDT to my Avalanche. So we can just, add funds right here. For example, 1000. And then I can select this network right here, and this is going to be Avalanche. Or I can switch and I can just, swap from Avalanche to my USDT. So let me actually show you the, amount as well. Let's go with one. Okay. So one Avalanche right now is $22 at the time of making this video. One Avalanche is going to be $22.54. So you just have to add funds to your wallet, and one is 22. So if you want to like send more, then you can just do that and swap your tokens. We also have advanced options, such as we can select the percentage for the slippage tolerance, which is like 2%, 3%, and custom. So you can just go do that, and you can review your swap, and you will be able to do that. Similarly, if I want to buy and add Avalanche, then I can just click on buy, and I will be able to do that. You can see we can add direct deposit to Avalanche as well. If you already have some AVAX, the quickest way to get AVAX in your new wallet is by direct deposit. So if you already have Avalanche, then you can just like, if you already have AVAX, then you can just add them directly as well. Or we can use Wire, we can use MoonPay, and we have Transact and Coinbase Pay as well. So this option is available with AVAX. So you can, wherever you have the AVAX and you want to buy them, you can just buy them from all of these different options. So this is how you will buy Avalanche on MetaMask. And then we have send option, of course. Click on send and it will allow you to send Avalanche to other networks as well. If I go to my accounts, I can create another account as well and add Avalanche to that account too. If I go to my settings now, and if I go to the networks, you will be able to see Avalanche network right here. So these are all the details that we added, and this is where you will be able to check your details anytime you want. And we can add another network as well. So just click on add network, and again, we will be able to add any network we want. We can also delete a network very easily. Let's say I want to delete my Avalanche. So you will just click on the networks, and then there is like this cross, and you can just click on the cross and you will be able to delete it. Of course, you will have to change your network first. And then if I click on this cross, and the network will be deleted. But we don't want that. We want to use Avalanche network on MetaMask and buy and sell in crypto. And if you want more settings, then you can just go to settings, and in settings you will be able to see your primary currency, which is Avalanche right now. And then we have advanced options. So if I go to advanced, it will give you more details into your advanced gas controls. We have show conversion on test networks, we have show test networks, customized transaction nodes, then we have auto log timers, we have IPFS gateways, and others. So all of the advanced settings of the MetaMask are given right here in advanced section, so you can check them out from here as well. Now I'll just go back to my MetaMask and enjoy Avalanche on MetaMask. You can see we have assets, and I will be able to see all the assets on AVAX right here. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.